You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this legendary American singer, rock and roll music singer. If you want to learn more names from music that are confusing, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you pronounced in English, American English, as Eddie, not Edi, Eddie Cochran. Alright, yes, cock, and then run. No, it's not ran, it's run, just like run. Eddie Cochran, how to pronounce English pronunciation, Eddie Cochran. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.